The next big thing in portable projectors is smaller than your coffee thermos. It's the brand new XGIMI MoGo 4. And in this video, we'll unbox it, test it, project it, vibe with it, and see if it truly earns the title of Vibes Machine on the go. Hi Bob, great to meet you. Michael here, the Tech Mishka, and today I want to tell you everything about this portable projector, one of the most exciting models of 2025. And before I go any further, full disclosure, this video is not sponsored by XGIMI. However, they gave me the chance to try it out and test everything I want to before its official release. And you know the drill. I'm going to talk about everything positive, about the quirks, about the things that could be potential deal breakers, basically everything you need to know in order to make the right choice, whether it is worth your money or not. And if you're into tech, portable devices and honest takes, subscribe to the channel. Now let's inspect. This thing is tiny, not too tiny though. Like I said, coffee thermos small, although the set of packages doesn't really suggest so. Unboxing experience is indeed a pleasant thing to do. In some cases like this one, it's more pleasant than usual. Here's the MoGo 4, which is a little bigger than Generation 3 line, and yet remains super portable and small. But don't let the size fool you. MoGo 4 is all about on-the-go lifestyle, sleek, minimal, packed with clever touches. Having an option to add creative filters? Check. Scratch-resistant and dust-defiant lens protection? Check. And a detachable lanyard, not just a gimmick, but a style accessory. Clip it on your backpack or hang it in your van or attach the remote. Yeah, this super tiny remote control so that everything is truly portable and at just one piece. The XGIMI MoGo 4 is a projector, but it also builds on top of it, being a fashion statement already, with build quality which is easily counting as class-leading. Despite the compact body, MoGo 4 projects up to 120 inches in Full HD, and honestly, that's huge considering its size. It uses DLP technology with solid color reproduction. The recommended size is 120 inches, but it can actually go up to 200, though I suggest sticking under 120 for the best image fidelity and more optimal brightness. And autofocus and auto keystone correction, of course, present. You move it, it readjusts seamlessly. There also is the ambient light feature mode and gesture controls, things I'm going to touch base on in just a few moments. Of course, in this chapter I want us to focus more on the samples and showcase the real-life performance of the projector. Here, the depth of details is what we're looking for, because remember, this is a review video, and although I've brought the color grading in post-production to a minimum, the tones can shift a little bit. From what I can say, the colors feel natural in their default look, and as usual, there are a lot of options to configure. Sharpness, the gamma, the contrast, the brightness, it can all change drastically very quickly, so I feel that everybody can tune the picture settings to his or her preferred style. As for the sound quality, this one surprised me. There's a dual 6-watt Harman Kardon speaker setup with 360 degrees surround sound with deep bass, and I think we can agree, it's good. In a small room, it's absolutely filling the space. For outdoor, you're gonna get the best results in more controlled environment, but still, for movie nights under the stars, it delivers decent sound. XGIMI's MoGo 4 runs Google TV as an operating system. During the first-time setup, it gets added to your smart home group, therefore easily controllable via your smartphone as well. Here, XGIMI improve a lot on the streaming apps because you can count on licensed streaming apps, including Disney+, Prime Video, YouTube, Netflix, you name it, it's there. With the latter one being usually among those apps that require a special grade of licensing, and as stated, granted with the MoGo 4. There's no need to install or sideload anything, just turn it on and your favorite shows are one click away. Oh, and let me show you this, the projector is off. And that's right, in 2 seconds time, it's already up and running, no waiting, no loading bars. Yeah, it feels more like turning on your phone than booting up a projector. The processor inside is nothing too remarkable though. It's a quad-core setup operating at up to 1.55 GHz, has 2 GB of RAM, which however, for Google TV seems to be acceptable even now in 2025. If you've never used Google TV or Android TV before, the learning curve is close to non-existent. The interface is snappy, there's a quick settings button you can easily access, which conveniently brings you to the picture and the audio setup and lets you control the most frequently used Google Home devices. Also, something else that is practically unique, the ambient mode, which besides setting the mood and the vibe thanks to this light, also sets the MoGo 4 into Bluetooth/Chromecast speaker mode. And on top, the fan works at a lower speed and you're not consuming from any of the lifespan of the lamp inside. If you were wondering at the start concerning the design why these translucent tubes, it's because they're supposed to spread the light. And then there's the creative filter mode. Snap on the magnetic lens filters and you get preloaded ambient scenes, underwater effects, neon lighting, color themes like pink, orange, blue. That's fun, literally turns your wall into a selfie station. Planning an outdoor party? Just switch it to ambient light mode and enjoy 8 mood colors with one simple wave. So no longer just for watching stuff, it's a vibe projector. MoGo 4 brings in some enhancements with the connectivity features as well. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are present. In fact, I'm a little sorry not to see Wi-Fi 6 support, but this is down to the system on a chip used inside. Unlike MoGo 3 Pro, where micro HDMI is present, here the port is full-sized HDMI. Yes, it takes a bit more space, but over time I realized that using a micro HDMI to HDMI converter is not very practical because it's easy to get lost. In terms of Bluetooth, version 5.0, it's compatible with any kind of Bluetooth devices released in the past decade. Let's check the performance of the other major upgrade. The MoGo line is now having an inbuilt battery, 71.28 watt-hours, according to XGIMI, enough for 2.5 hours of playback, about a movie runtime, if you run the projector in eco mode. And in most cases, if you prefer to have more out of these 450 ISO lumens present, you won't. Therefore, 2 options: either use a power bank with priority for the PD-compliant power banks, or get this stand. I keep on using the MoGo 3 Pro ever since it came out. Use the stand as well, but the new one, a lot easier to mount, more stable, and the QR mechanism is a game changer. There's only one thing left that XGIMI can improve: get rid of the cable requirement. Just imagine how great it would be to have pins in contact with the projector instead of this Type-C cable. The extra batteries inside the stand give you longer running times. About 5 hours are achievable, so the MoGo 4 is among the portable projectors with longest battery cycles if you get this additional stand. If you wonder about the power consumption, with full battery it is expectedly a bit less as compared to if the battery is being recharged. While you are enjoying your favorite TV shows or movies, let's not forget that this is a projector, and in order the great optics to function correctly, it has active cooling, which sounds like this. In a small room, it might be noticeable if the volume is low, but overall the fan is very quiet and almost indistinguishable. It can only become annoying if you run the picture at its maximum brightness mode. And honestly, I advise you against going for this setting because it loads the battery a lot more than usual, therefore shortens the lifespan. Let's carry on with the tool that you'll actually use a lot: the remote control. If you've used previous XGIMI projectors, the main remote will feel very familiar. Same sleek design, ergonomic feel and solid button layout, but now it is backlit. Yes, finally no more guessing where the volume or the home button is during the late-night movie session. But here's the cool twist: you also get this mini remote. Tiny, lightweight, and it snaps right onto the lanyard. A lot more basic, of course. In many ways, the MoGo 4 is close to perfect, and yet I'm ready to propose some improvement ideas which could take their way in future generations. Who knows? As stated already, I prefer to see more RAM, a cable-free option to connect to the stand, and maybe also a mini edition of the series. In the end, my verdict about the XGIMI... that's cool. MoGo 4. Well, it's not supposed to be your home cinema powerhouse. It's a vibe machine. It's a party starter. But if you're looking for the most powerful conference room projector, maybe you should look elsewhere, because this one is perfect for watching movies or TV shows into the wild, or starting pop-up parties, or using it as a background machine for, I don't know, videos, Instagram reels, whatever you like. Gives you the necessary kind of mood, and also can be used as a fully functional Chromecast speaker. Hard to beat in terms of usefulness, given the price point and all the features that it provides right now in 2025. This is my opinion, at least, and I'm super eager to read about all your comments, bringing in experience or questions in the section below the video. Thank you very much for watching this episode. Please support my hard, honest work here on the channel by at least subscribing or giving the video a like. And I guess I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye!